Hi folks, it's Bill here for Bill's Bonsai. Hope you're doing well. It's been a funny few weeks. There's been a lot of videos that I've been wanting to do but just not got around to because of other things that I've had to do. What I have been doing is ripping up my decking, my wooden decking in my patio area. Had to do that because the wood was rotten and it really needed to get done. Holes were starting to appear in it, so I just had to rip it out. So that took a little while to do, moving things while the decking was getting ripped out. I've got a back fence that's suffered from the storms, and I've got decking material, so I had to rip all the back fence down, strip it down, dig it out, get it all skipped. And I've got new fencing material coming in a couple of days' time, so I'll be building a fence. So in between times, I've missed out on videos that I want to do, like at the end of May. I want to do a wee update at the end of May. Officially, summer's started now in the UK, so there's like the start of summer video and stuff like that. So there's things I'll catch up on. I'll catch up on videos shortly, but this video, one of the other things I've been doing during this time while I've been showing my plants and my trees, is I've been buying some pots. And I went to AliExpress because I wanted to buy some just cheap plastic bonsai pots. So I went to AliExpress and ordered some for there, some from eBay as well. And you've seen me buying the baskets. I'll show them in a little while actually. The basket that I planted my oak tree in, the pond baskets, which they look quite nice, and but I have bought some plastic bonsai pots because hardly any of my trees are in actual bonsai pots, which is ridiculous, isn't it, for someone who's got a bonsai channel? So I've only got one tree in the ceramic bonsai pot, and one of the little feet, you got the 4 foot in the corners, one of them's broke. So I need to get that out of there and put in another pot. But most of my plants in this channel are all pre-bonsai anyway. So in training to become bonsai, which is quite I like the developing, because you learn a lot doing that. There's a lot to learn. So it's a learning process as I go as well. But anyway, so I bought some bonsai pots. What I want to do is open them up, and I'll show you them just now, okay? So I'm here with Eeyore, who's providing me with some coffee. I made a mistake actually. I was on eBay and I wanted to buy some big round bonsai pots, and I ended up buying oval ones instead. They're quite made in China, but they're quite sturdy. But I'm not sure what I'm going to be using them for, to be honest with you. But they do have the drainage holes and the wire holes, but they're okay. They're nice pots. Well, I just don't know what I'm going to be using them for, so I'll obviously keep them for something eventually. I'll find the use for them somewhere. The basket that I have my oak planted in is like these kind of baskets here. Just full of rubbish at the minute, but I've got 2 more of these because that was the last 2 from that channel on eBay that they had in stock. So I thought, they're quite good. For some of the bigger plants, I was thinking of putting my Acer Katsura in it. But these are 2 packages that I purchased. Well, it was one order from AliExpress. Let's see what's in it. Let's see what I ordered. Let's find out the quality. Alright, they look actually very good. And I'm wondering if it's the same manufacturer. Is that? No, it probably isn't actually. But not far off it. So let's see. I'll try to see if I can find the size for this. Or if that might be it there. Is it? Come on, where's the size? It's just a large rectangle, but I think they're about 22, about 20 odd centimetres wide, 22, 23 centimetres wide. I'll get the out of game just now. So I don't think I could have anything. Maybe this. Am I going green? How would that look? What do you think? Let's see if we can get that in the shot here. Actually, it looks not too bad. What do you think? So like that. It's not too bad size, eh? So that'd be a nice plant pot. Yeah, that'd be a nice bonsai pot for the acers that I have, which I bought 4 years ago that I've been training. So I got 5 of these ones. Very good. I've got another packet here actually I need to open. So I've got a nice wee square one, a wee shallow square one there. I thought that'd be nice for something. It is quite shallow though. And then you've got the medium ones. A wee square one there, which I thought was cool. Not sure what I can put in that just yet. Let's see if I can. Well, what else I've got? And oh, excellent. Now the price for these wasn't all that expensive. It was only about £20 odd for all these pots. There's some more square ones, so they've got some wee square ones. There were 5 wee square ones, 5 medium square ones. I don't know if it's medium or large. Let's see what the label says. Square large. Okay. It's got a 17 there, so I'm guessing it's about 17 by 17. Alright. Which is quite okay. That's good. Here's a Japanese cherry. I don't know if that would be okay for that, maybe. Let's see. Not sure, but anyway, I've got some nice square ones there. Some small rectangles. So that's what I got. And these are for AliExpress, so the prices were really good. I thought some shallow square ones, some small. There's a medium square, large square, medium rectangle, and large rectangle. I probably didn't need as many of these square ones, to be honest with you. But well, they'll be okay for something, I suppose. But anyway, that's what I got from AliExpress. That got delivered yesterday, and I thought I'd do an unboxing video. And all this was only about it was under £30 for all them. I thought that's pretty good, considering I paid about £30 for just A3 from a UK supplier. So down in England, right? So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with that lot. I'll definitely get some more of these ones, definitely, and try and get some of my plants, my trees, into some of these pots. Here's one that this has just grown wild, to be honest with you. It's been in there for ages. It's roughly about the same size, and yeah, I can't remember where I got these wee pots from, but it's the same idea. So I thought I'd show you some of the little plastic bonsai pots that I bought. It's AliExpress. You just create an account and well, I'll put a generic link to AliExpress, and you can go and get yourself some of these wee bonsai pots if you need them. It's quite cheap. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I've got an azalea that I need to deadhead. So that's my next task, and I'm going to do that right after this one. So hopefully I'll see you in that video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.